Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue for Honda Airblade owners: suspension problems. If you're experiencing a rough ride, bottoming out, or excessive bouncing, this video is for you. We'll explore the common causes and provide simple, actionable repair solutions you can do yourself. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why your Airblade suspension might be acting up. One of the most common culprits is worn out fork seals. These seals keep the oil inside the front forks, ensuring smooth movement. If they're leaking, the forks lose their damping ability, leading to a harsh ride. You might notice oil residue on the fork tubes if this is the case. Another frequent issue is a loss of oil in the front forks. Over time, oil can leak out, or it might not have been filled to the correct level initially. This also reduces the damping effect, making the ride uncomfortable. Check the service manual for the correct oil level. Then, there's the rear suspension. The shock absorber can wear out, losing its ability to absorb bumps. You might feel a lot of bouncing, especially when riding over uneven surfaces. This is a clear sign that the shock absorber needs attention. Also, check the rear suspension for any leaks. Now, for some simple repair solutions. For leaking fork seals, you can try replacing them. This is a bit involved, requiring you to remove the front forks, disassemble them, replace the seals, and reassemble. There are plenty of online tutorials that can guide you through this process. Make sure to use the correct type of fork oil. If the oil level is low, the fix is straightforward: add the correct amount of fork oil. Again, consult your service manual for the proper oil type and level for your Airblade. This will significantly improve the ride quality. If the rear shock absorber is worn, you'll need to replace it. This is usually a bolt-on replacement, but it's crucial to select a shock absorber designed for your Airblade model. When replacing, follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Regular maintenance can help prevent suspension problems. Check your suspension components regularly for leaks or damage. Check tire pressure, as it affects the suspension's performance. Also, avoid overloading your scooter, as this can put extra stress on the suspension. To wrap things up, suspension issues on your Honda Airblade can be a real nuisance, but they're often fixable with a bit of DIY effort. By identifying the problem and following these simple solutions, you can restore your scooter's smooth ride. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Ride safe.